not just Clickbank, but other affiliate networks and programs. So stay tuned. And the secret traffic source I'm going to be talking about is traffic source on Earth. So you guys are in for a treat. Stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. Like, comment, subscribe if you like it. And let's get it. Alrighty. So you can literally pick any category here. And I'm going to click on a category I've never clicked on. Software and services. Alright. 3D printing. So you could be an Amazon affiliate. You could be, oh wow, it doesn't even have anything here. Let's go down. You could be an Amazon or just Clickbank, and you could even have your own products too, which is highly recommended. Have more income streams. So let's just click the overall niche here. Let's sort by, I want recurring, I would want one-time billing also. I would want, where's the pitch plus here? Pitch plus, but there it is. Pitch plus, alrighty. Popularity, or we could sort by very, very high gravity, which we will do if there is any. This niche is probably like neglected. Okay, here we go. Here's a top one. So I'm like, hey, I want to promote this. It's got all the qualifications I want. Boom. I press promote, and you get this pop-up here, and then you're like, you could do tracking ID if you're doing many different traffic sources, but we're just doing YouTube, and you could just say YouTube. Okay. Generate hop links. Copy and paste that, and you can put it in a bit.ly or whatever you want to do, and you can literally just promote that link. All right, and I'll show you the whole strategy right now. So basically, you just pick your niche, and if you don't know this already, the top 3 niches on Clickbank and anywhere in life is health, wealth, and love and relationships. So if you want to know where those are, this is a good niche also. I'll just point out good niches. This is a good niche right here. Let's see, languages you can make money with, home and garden for sure. So health and fitness right here. This is health and fitness niche right here. Green products. Games is alright, not the best. People usually who play games don't have much money. If you don't know the truth. Education, e-business, and e-marketing. That's the wealth basically. You got computers and investing. That's the wealth. Here's the wealth. As seen on TV, it's not really a big niche on Clickbank. But I think it's in spirituality, or right here you've got the dating and stuff. No, not right here. I've never promoted dating, so I don't know. But I don't see it. For some reason my eyes aren't working, so we're just going to move on. And if you're from another country, by the way, these are neglected so much. And you could straight up just do your language, if you know one of these languages, and promote one of the products in that niche and do the exact strategy I'm teaching, you'll make a killing because there's like zero competition for it. So, all right, let's show you another trick of finding products that are at the top on Clickbank. Just press the search button. This is an awesome trick. So just press the search button. You're going to get the top popular products. You're going to get Fat Belly Fix and all these ones. All right, so it's sorting from best, most popular basically, all the way to least popular. And then you can add in all your qualifications. If you want very high gravity, you're going to get super high gravity ones. You want pitch plus, you want recurring, all these things. And there you go, Fat Belly Fix. All right, and that's a good solid commission right there. And plus they got recurring right here. So that is great. Now we're going to move on to the next step. I don't have it pulled up, but basically you get ClickFunnels, all right? And you build your landing page. I'm going to show you the whole funnel in Funnelytics because it helps with the broad perspective of the strategy. I love Funnelytics, and basically all my videos, I draw out different funnels. So here we go. We're going to use YouTube, all right? And here's the whole strategy. You got YouTube. You're posting consistently. You're giving value in the videos. You're making the videos yourself. So you can do both. You could upload other people's videos. If you find them, by the way, here's a really cool strategy regarding affiliate marketing. It makes it super easy. If you find a program you want to promote, like Fat Belly Fix, it's a huge, huge program, for example. There's going to be content all around the web from Fat Belly Fix and from them directly, like videos and stuff. You can go ahead and repost their videos onto YouTube and do some keyword research and start ranking, all right? And it's very powerful. YouTube you have to be consistent with nowadays. You got to have a ton of videos of value, and you just have to be consistent. Like, consistency is key, but you have to also have quality. So that's what I've learned about YouTube. There's other secret strategies you can go into. I might have a YouTube course in the future teaching what I've learned from, like, I've spent thousands of dollars learning like YouTube alone, and I'm still not even big on YouTube yet. Like, so that just goes to show you can implement everything, but you still have to go through the hard work too. You can work smart, but you also have to work hard still and be consistent. So you have YouTube, and then you're going on, and you're always linking to this one thing, and it's the opt-in page. You're giving a ton of stuff for free for just their email. All right. Next, it redirects to the offer you are promoting. All right. It redirects to that offer, and then, so you collect their email, wherever that is, and then you have your autoresponder in place, and you just follow up with them forever. Okay. And this is literally the exact funnel I'm using to make hundreds per day with this strategy alone. I have another business in the health niche where I'm making thousands per day. And then in the sweepstake niche, I'm making around 100 to 500 per day with that one. So altogether, with my many income streams, I'm making good money with these strategies. And this is so simple, all right? But it's so powerful. And it's how a lot of marketers can make a lot of money on the first try. And the whole key to it is this, the email sequence strategy part, and owning your list. That is the key to it. You're owning traffic. Not YouTube is owning the traffic anymore. You're owning it too. Okay, so that is the strategy. That is why it works. All right, and what it's called direct response marketing. I'll have a whole video about that coming up in the next couple of videos. Probably I'll film it right after this one. And like, it's key. Like, for example, if I were to restart, I have so many different versions of what I would do when I restart. Like, I would just go find mentors and network, get a sales job and stuff like that. Or I would straight up make money and do or just do free methods and you reinvest what I make to grow. But I would do direct response marketing would be the first go-to thing I would do, because it's how you can make a killing online. It's the number one secret. That's already obvious. It's awesome. So direct response marketing is where it's at. Let's show you some channels real quick. What's a good niche? What niche were we even in before? We were talking about, let's just do home and garden. I don't know. Home and garden. All right, we're in home and garden right here. And we're going to sort. We could just do Creative Commons, but I want to show you something here. View count. Also, understand that this platform and many different platforms are different, and what performs well is different. Let me show you a tool I use real quick too. Most viewed on YouTube. This is vidIQ. I freaking love it. And you guys are getting a ton of value in this video, so like the video. All right, what is YouTube all about? It's about kids. And yes, you can be an affiliate marketer to kids, but who buys? The parents. That's how you make a killing on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I haven't done this. I'm aware of it. This is what I want to teach people. Just one of the many strategies. And what performs well on YouTube is literally music videos, kid content that's just BS, and big YouTubers, obviously, like PewDiePie. Big companies and popular entertainment. Basically, entertainment is what performs well. You got sports. All right, you got funny videos. So now you know. All right, now you know what performs well. So 277 views per hour. I'm pretty sure you can make a good living from that, even if it's AdSense revenue. So yeah, look into that. If you do this strategy, guys, like this strategy, or just the basic strategy of choosing a niche and an offer, actually multiple offers, and the direct response marketing strategy, let me know and tell me about your story. That would be awesome. But remember, by the way, if you were to do the direct response marketing strategy with like the kid videos, you're gonna own a ton of traffic very fast. Think about it. With all those many, with that many views per hour, a certain percentage it's just a numbers game. A certain percentage is going to click, a certain percentage is going to opt in, a certain percentage is going to buy, and you have their emails anyway, and you should be making $1 per month for every email on email list. So you're getting them into your recurring. Anyways, just look at all the top videos for your whole niche here and literally copy ideas. And by the way, sensational content does super well on YouTube for suggested views, and that's what it's all about on YouTube to grow, not really about even ranking for search results. So I'm not going to lie to you and say, hey, searchers getting optimized for SEO is the key. No. For YouTube, it's making sensational content, or basically controversial content or viral potential content where you can get suggested and get millions of views or 6-figure views. All right, so that is the key. Go out there, make money, let me know how you do, and don't promote just one product. Make your main product this right here as the redirect, but then promote it a couple times here, and then promote more offers back here. Have a high ticket in your back end. All right, that is the strategy for you and this strategy. So like, comment, subscribe. Check out the new stuff in the description. Check out the course, of course. Check out our course. It's the affiliate marketing course. It's the best one on YouTube or in general for affiliate marketing. I offer tons of bonuses. It's worth every penny of your money. Check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.